Guys, I just got back from Sephora. Part 1 will show you what I got. Now we're going to do an unboxing of the stuff I got. It doesn't make any sense. Just don't. First thing I got was this. I explained it in part 1. Here. It came out with that thing. It works too. Here's what it looks like. When you open it, it has like the little serum thing. And it's like so nice. I love the serum. Okay. So next. Can't put it in the bucket again. This is what I got. Okay. So next I got this. I also explained this in part 1. And this looks like, so it literally like has the outlines of like strawberries. So yeah. Oh, and if you open it, it has like the little serum thing. It's the first click, so I'm not even like doing it. Okay, and the last thing I got was this. Also explained in one. And it'll probably end up staying in this little thing. Like if I have to go on road trips. It smells good. Oh, it smells like plastic. Okay. There like keeps being stuff on the inside. It's so freaking gross. That's okay. So we're gonna, so that's what I got. What's the 62? So the 62. This. In yellow. And next in yellow. Yeah. Part 3 is going to be putting this all where it needs to go. In my messy room. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.